You're on sheet, Ollie? Yeah. Okay. What's the breeze doing?
Going up and down, forwards and backwards. Okay, you ready, Ollie? Big ease on sheet, Ollie.
Ease tack?
Okay.
Good morning, Atlantic. It's been a rough couple of days, and now Shane's fixing things. Legs. Had Frankie up. Oh, I'm just going to try and walk up here and show what he's doing. Hopefully the microphone will work. Boat's falling apart.
Yeah. This is challenging. Better while we were on the other jibe.
I don't know if I'm getting any of it, I can't see. Trying though, don't get knocked off. So, which bit are you gluing?
Threaded bit of the receptacle, the 3D printed bit is blown out. So I'm going to try and do something. This is my first immediate thought. Ah, now I've got fucking shit on the mast.
Hang on, I'll send for a paper towels, please. Send out a couple of paper towels.
Why does God need so many paper towels?
Where's the shit on the mast? How's that look from your angle?
Yeah.
Ben! So the 3D printed bit is the green bit, right?
Yep.
I don't know if you can hear me because it's a directional mic, is it? Or...
Nah, it's an Omni.
Yeah. And we're using spar bond.
Spar bond.
So what's this one near? This is...
First Batten, second reef.
second reef. Okay, I've been using that quite a bit.
Yeah. What's happening is, because the second reef is quite close to the Batten, there's a lot of tension going into it, and that tension has pulled it out. It's possibly a bit of a design flaw at my end. Should have had an intermediate. Yeah, I can't. or just a good strong receptacle will probably do it as well. And I'll pass you this.
Is it finished with?
Yeah.
Give me the burger rolls, Yes. Give me the bacon. Hi.
Hi.
Right, here's my mid-Atlantic dodgy repair on the receptacle. So I've spar bonded it in there. Probably wasn't the best brew of spar bond, it still feels a bit rubbery. Better than nothing. Quite moist out here on the ocean. So we'll go back to second reef and we'll fingers crossed, hope and wait and see. It's actually a glamorous day out here. Got Frankie's fractional up. Woo! See our weapon of choice for this crossing so far. Why are we going so slow, Frankie? Should be sitting on 12 to 14 knots. Yeah, there you go. Because I'm filming, it's got camera shy and slowed down. It's been really, really nice. A little bit lumpy at times. A little bit lumpy at times. It's been actually really shit the last 3 days. Today is glam.
Alright, we're going to start using anything. Tell us what you're doing, Harry. Going to full main, taking a reef out.
Take a reef out, Ollie.
All by ourselves.
No, don't
Okay,
tell me.
yeah,
Right, that's
just staring.
It's just staring, yeah.
Alright, we're going to go up and away.
So talk me through it.
We have to...
This is one of the reefing lines. It holds the back of the mainsail so that the main's a certain size if there's too much wind. Just let this go and the other ones. And we have a thing called the Cunningham or the Smart Pig, because Cunningham, it's a sailor's joke, which pulls the inner side of the sail there next to the mast down, while the reefing lines pull the outside there, so it makes the mast, the sail smaller.
Almost there, Harry.
Whoa.
Yep, we're going to ease like that. Alright, hold up. Do we have to ease off the main? No. Alright. We have the topping lift up, and we're going to full main.
About that much?
It's not on there.
Okay, Ollie, go. Yeah, flying.
Cut your Cunningham off.
The trip line, the hook at the top of the mast, and hook onto the car.
Where's the Cunningham?
Cunningham is down here, already attached.
There's a little pin in the top car, one of the rolly things that hold the sail onto the mast. We pull a string and that pin goes down and locks it into the mast, so the rope isn't taking all the load. Or the clutches, or any of the blocks, or pulleys. Let it go. Pull the Cunningham on, Harry.
Okay. Yeah, on the log.
Let the Cunningham on.
Is that good? Yeah, it looks about good there. Pardon? Yes, good.
It seems pretty easy until it becomes nice. And things are like 100 times more complicated and hard.
Normally if you stand there looking forward, you can see the spinnaker as well, so you sort of know when to grind for Harry as well. So you sort of trim with Harry.
Trimming the spinnaker, are you? Yeah?
Go, 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 go! Come on, come on, come on!